Hello my fellow insurables, I'm Kelli Arrowsmith with Arrow Final Expense, and today we're going to go over how exactly does return of premium life insurance work. If you're new to my channel, we go over the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance. If you find this helpful, please subscribe. So real quick, for those of you that are unfamiliar with how life insurance works, life insurance is when you enter into a contract with a life insurance company with the agreement that you, the insured, will pay premiums, usually monthly, in exchange for a lump sum paid to your beneficiary when you die. In turn, this protects your loved one or loved ones from financial hardship. So, return of premium is a type of term life insurance. And as you may or may not know, term life insurance only covers you for a specific period of time, a set number of years. And here's how return of premium life insurance is unique. As usual, if you pass away, the life insurance company is going to pay your beneficiary a lump sum. But if you don't pass away, then the life insurance company is going to return all of your premiums, meaning all of your payments, back to you. When a regular term policy ends, you don't get anything back, and you no longer have life insurance coverage. Now, something to consider: return of premium life insurance policies are going to be more expensive than typical term policies, at least double if not more. Although I will say a return of premium policy is a great way to save money. Return of premium policies are typically only available to adults under the age of 60, which means when you apply, you must be under the age of 60. Now, this will vary from one company to another, and typically return of premium policies are either 20 or 30-year terms. And as always, remember, each life insurance company is going to have their own standards and requirements when issuing a life insurance policy. Now, something to note, typically return of premium policies are going to be what's known as a level term, which means your premiums that you pay will be the same throughout the duration of the policy. Now, unlike typical term policies, certain return of premium policies can build cash value. And this is unique because usually cash value is found in permanent life insurance such as whole life or universal life. And if you do go with a return of premium policy that does include the cash value, you do have the option to cancel the policy and get some of the money back after a certain period of time. Now, just as with any other policy that's going to include cash value, the premiums are always going to be higher than a policy that does not include cash value. So real quick, let's go over the pros and cons of having a return of premium life insurance policy. Let's start with the pros. Number one, a return of premium policy is still going to be less expensive than a whole life insurance policy. Number two, if you don't die, then you're going to get all of the premiums you've paid in back when the policy does expire. Number three, and hey, this is probably good for a lot of us, you're forced to save money. And number four, hey, it's a win-win. Either you pass away and your beneficiary gets a big lump sum, or hopefully you live and you get all of your premiums back that you paid into this thing over a long period of time. Now, the cons of a return of premium policy are the premiums are going to be higher than a typical term policy. Number two, not every life insurance company is going to offer return of premium coverage. Number three, if you miss your payments and the policy does lapse, you may not get any of your money back. Now, this is something to ask the insurance company that you are applying with. Now, here's something to note. There is a life insurance policy out there for everyone, but everyone has different needs because we don't all need the same amount or the same type of coverage. So make sure the policy that you are applying for meets not only your needs, but your budget. Because if it's not affordable to you, then the policy is probably going to lapse, and that just doesn't make sense. Well, there you have it. That is a very simple explanation of how return of premium life insurance works. If you have questions about today's topic, other life insurance topics, or you have a subject you want me to cover, let me know down in the comments. As usual, if you want to continue to get the best tips, knowledge, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.